Howdy, y'all. We're excited to be back in your face. This is the Howdy International Student Channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to meet American friends. And today, joining me on the channel is Darren. He coordinates and works with ICF and ISI. Darren, you're welcome.
Hey, thank you. It's good to be here.
We would like to know more, or just tell us about ICF. ICF, of course, is part of what has sponsored this channel, but I'm sure there are a lot of people that would like to know about that and how they can make and meet American friends.
Yeah. So ICF is International Christian Fellowship, and International Christian Fellowship has been on this campus, UT Dallas campus, since the late 90s. But it's a student organization, but the broader umbrella, the broader organization, the national organization is called International Students Incorporated, ISI. And they're out of Colorado Springs, Colorado, and they're on many different campuses nationwide. And their goal, their mission is to just love on international students, help them any way they can once they come to the States, and help make their time here just a little bit less stressful and help them accommodate some of the needs that they have.
Awesome. So if an international student is in any state or in any school, they can reach out to ISI and see what service or presence ISI has in that location. Is that correct?
That's correct.
How do they serve international students?
The vision, the mission is to reach all international students. There's over 1 million international students in the U.S. and so that's kind of it's a big vision and a big mission. But for example, UT Dallas, one of the big needs they have is airport pickups. DFW is quite a ways from the campus, so we try to go and mobilize volunteers to pick up students when they first arrive. We have a friendship partner program, which partners a student and an American one-on-one. They give them kind of a home away from home, a family to join once they get here. We have a furniture program that's been going for almost 30 years.
Wow.
Because most of the apartments around UT Dallas are unfurnished apartments where the students live, and most of them don't want to pay for new furniture. So we found that's a big need, and we have many volunteers that want to help. We have home groups if you're looking to meet other students from other parts of the world. Home groups is a great way to get involved, not just to meet Americans, but to see other places and taste other foods, right? Home groups is pretty fun and a good way to get to know the rest of the world.
Are they services that help with English speaking?
We do have here, we have a couple of English classes.
Awesome.
I would highly encourage you to sign up icfutd.com for the English conversation classes.
Awesome, awesome. What is really the value of getting to make an American friend? Why should I want to make an American friend?
Well, I mean, I think probably most international students come here not just to get a good education, not just to get a good academics and job. I think a lot of students come here to experience American culture.
Yeah, true.
And to do that, you can't just stay with your own people. Your own. If you're from India, just stay with Indians, or Chinese, just speak Chinese. No, you want to branch out. And so I always tell students, you have to be very intentional to do that. And don't live in your comfort zone with your own language. No, explore.
I think that's so amazing, just thinking about what ISI and ICF does. I mean, and these things are, done for free or voluntary, and they go out of their way. Airport pickups, when students are moving, this is a big deal. And just getting people to provide that friendship and family and a home away from home. I think it's amazing, and I think that more people need to hear about what ISI does and what ICF does, because really it feels like this opportunity is here and people don't know about it. Are they events that ICF does that you would like to share?
Well, typically we are part of a bigger group of organizations that ICF actually started back in 2017 called the Big Howdy. It's many different organizations working together to welcome international students, because UT Dallas is the largest campus for international students in all of Texas. Every fall and every spring, the first of the semester, we'll offer a welcome party where there's free food. And usually, if we're in person on campus, there's live music, there's dancing. And so it's just a big welcome to Texas party. And we have other events that go on throughout the course of a week. We have a weekly meeting, a weekly gathering that you can be a part of.
Great. I'm so glad at the things that you have shared. I mean, it's just so good to hear all that ISI does. So who are the volunteers that make up ISI and ICF?
We probably have 50 to 60 churches in just the North Dallas area that we get volunteers from that are all interested in international students. They're like me, they're wanting to learn more about the world, and so they sign up to be a volunteer. We probably have well over 1,000 volunteers that want to help. And so I know some get, when you say Christian or church, they go into this like guard mode, okay? But I want to encourage students that it's a safe place. There's no strings attached to our love, to our motivation. All we are here to do is to help meet a need that you have, get to know you, become your friend, hopefully for life. And that's it. It's just, we love God, yes, we love you. And so we want to help you. And that's a driving force for ISI and ICF. And why I do what I do every day. It's not out of obligation or even a duty or sense of responsibility. No, I love students, and so it gives me energy to help students.
I could hear your passion and your sincerity of purpose, and I think that we are very blessed to have you serving international students. We're blessed to have ISI and ICF. Just for me, coming to UTD and experiencing that, it was really a culture shock to just see people who had nothing to profit or benefit or hidden intention, to just show love and willing to help, on different levels. We believe that there are international students from all over the world that are in the States already or are planning to come.
Yeah.
Do you have any final words for them?
Yeah, now if you're an international student that's looking to come to the States, or maybe you're already here, I would encourage you to go to internationalstudents.org to check out the website to see if there's ISI staff or volunteers available in your state, area, or campus. And just be very intentional about reaching out to them, signing up for as many things as you can. You'll get to meet an American and learn more about American culture and really make a friend for life. And so thanks for having me, man. It's been a joy to be here.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Darren. This has been really, really good. And I think one of the things you didn't say that ISI offers is this channel.
Yeah, that's right.
and yeah, because we have many videos, just trying to reach out and help and show our love to international students. So we're glad that you're here, and we're glad that everyone watched, and we hope that you like this video. Subscribe to this channel. We have lots of videos that will help you have a successful stay in the United States as an international student. Thank you, and see you next time.